Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Quipall 2000 EPW pressure washer. I looked online and I couldn't find anything that showed a review other than a stock video, but you can never trust those. Alright, let's see what we got here. Pressure washer. Add-ons. Had an add-on fall off of here. Just get all these out. That's what we got. There's your pressure washer. Looks good. Hard plastic. Seems durable. Drop it once or twice. It should last. Add-ons. Your hose, your wand, your gun. Leave. Your tips. You're gonna put them right here. Get this probably for your cord. I assume it probably goes like this. I guess you could put this one there if you wanted to. Don't really know what that's for. I'd have to read the manual. Extension cord. Oh, nice looking extension cord. Alrighty. Let me put the wand together. It's just a quick connector. Press this and slide it on. Alright, I had it wrong. You don't press that. This right here snaps in, twisted in. Pretty stable. Got a little vibration on that, the connector. You can feel it. That's a little concerning, considering all the pressure that's going to come out of it. Over time, you might have to replace that. I don't plan on using it every day. Maybe 4 times a year, I assume. By the look of it, it does look good, feel good, but there's only one way to find out, and that's to try it.
I didn't get a chance to show this in the video, I just happened to notice it. The red cap right there is where you put soap. I did fill it up with soap, and I didn't notice it coming out of the wand, but when you take the wand off and it's just a gun, it does want to come out, and it's pretty good. I wish it was like a super soaker or even a fan type where it could soak more, but it would have to do for now, I guess.
It's not a bad little thing. Wish I had a little more power, but for your light, I wouldn't say medium, but kind of in between light and medium, it will work. Yeah, I did spray the rims of a car and it did get the dust off. I sprayed the house, it did get the green crap off, the pollen. It did do that, and I did do a fence. It did get the pollen off that. I do not think this would work on concrete to clean it off. I don't know. I'm not going to say it will or won't. I don't think it will personally, but if it does, it'll surprise me. But overall, the little stuff that I need to do, I give it a thumbs up. If you're looking to use it, For high power stuff, I would suggest going somewhere else. Today we're going to do an unboxing of a Quipall 2000 EPW pressure washer. I looked online and I couldn't find anything that should